Hi, I'm Ollie, and behind me are two Volvo FMX 420 8x4 chassis, complete with Kel-Berg Insulated tipper installations. These have been completed for a customer down in London. They are a Hanson contract haulier, and I thought I'd make a quick video, show you around the trucks, what they're fitted with. So let's take a look. In terms of the actual specification of the installation, we have a Kel-Berg Insulated aluminium tipper body. This is tipped using a CX15 Edbro ram, which is mounted to the front, and we have a Raptor 2 side-to-side sheet with a terracotta tar. So at the back of the trailer we have the tailgate. On a Kel-Berg insulated tipper installation, the tailgate comes air operated as standard. We have a 50-50 split with 2 tar hatches. With regard to safety features, these trucks are going into London, so they need to be DVS compliant. That's why they have a Brigade 4-way camera system, cyclist side scan and left turn audible warning fitted in order to comply with those new regulations. The customer has requested a number of additional items to be fitted to the truck. These include the Alcoa Durabright aluminium wheels to give it that nice shiny finish, some aluminium mirror backs to protect the mirrors, and a number of lockable steel toolboxes around the truck. If you'd like to know some more about Kel-Berg aluminium insulated tippers, you can visit our website www.kelberg.com. You can send us an email at info@kelberg.com. We can call us on 01869 343 511. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook, or if social media is not really your thing, you can sign up to our mailing list and receive our stock list every month. Thank you for watching. See you later.